Welcome to that new video about Oracle Transportation Management System. In this video, you will see how to optimize transportation needs, analyzing your transportation lane based on historical data. In this first part, we will review the historical shipments, aggregate shipments by regions, date, and create forecasts from aggregated shipments. In the second part, we will evaluate potential savings by creating static routes based on forecast information. We will see how to create hypotheses of carrier rates. We will evaluate potential savings by using the forecast. And finally, we will confirm the static route. Historical shipments can be shipments performed by OTM or shipment import into OTM. To perform the aggregation, we have to first create a project and then we run the aggregation. The aggregation is available in here. You can see here the forecast. So what is the forecast? Here we are looking for creating a static route. All right. For instance, every Monday, a certain number of shipments perform a delivery from A to B. That number of shipments can be different every week. The forecast is about the calculation of that number of shipments to operate for the static route. This table shows the number of shipments operated every week. One, 4, 8, 6 shipments operated every week. So the number are different. And the table above shows the calculation that has been operated. In this first part, we have seen the analysis of the transportation lane based on historical data. We have reviewed historical shipments, aggregate shipments together, and create a forecast from aggregated shipments. Now let's look at the second part, evaluate potential savings by creating static route based on forecast information. First, let's create the carrier rate hypothesis. We can create multiple carrier hypotheses and we can define a fixed cost and a cost per distance. Next, we create the scenario. The scenario will support the project with the aggregated lane and forecast and the carrier rate hypothesis that has been taken. Then we will run this scenario. The result of the scenario will be the potential savings that can be performed. So here is the global amount without optimization, and then you can see here the savings and the final cost. After that, we can check the route that has been created. So here we've got 4 routes. And we can look at the detail of each route. The detail can be map, and we can check the detail with the date, the destination, and the origin. Finally, when we are satisfied with the static route that has been analyzed and created, we can convert it and create a route in the system. In that session, we have analyzed shipment historic that were booked dynamically in order to identify potential static route and evaluate potential savings. The next step is about performing the sourcing and confirm the carrier rate hypothesis. Thanks, and see you next time.